sasa Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais anawasha moto ili kuchoma hizo bunduki. Asante.
All this is a testimony that Kenyans are beginning to have confidence in the security that the government of Kenya, with all its agencies, is providing. And therefore it is important for the rest to follow suit and ensure that we surrender all firearms that are not licensed, all illicit and illegal firearms in the wrong hands, surrender them voluntarily, because government is making steps to ensure there is adequate security for all of us.